chiavate spada, bruschette al salmone,
Salmon bruschettas,
e feta, sarde a beccafigo, polpetti di pesce spada, insalata di mare, bruschetta con tartare di gambero e crema di zucchine, panelle di pesce e frittura mista.
eccezionale, grazie mille.
Buon aperitivo.
Thank you, grazie mille. Anyway, I'm just next to the stadium. I can hear people chanting and cheering and stuff. I am running about 30 minutes late, so I think I almost missed the first half. But well, never mind, right? I'm not very familiar with the city, so I got lost at least a couple of times. Anyway, I'm about to get in, so I'm gonna be searched and stuff, and I'll be able, hopefully, to show you something inside. Let's see what I can do, right? I'm not sure. I hope you can hear the people. That's the stadium from outside, by the way. Stadium Renzo Barbera, that's the name actually, and that's the home stadium. Forza Palermo! Sì. He's saying we're running late, we're all running really late, but hey, it's a shame we missed the show before the game, but we'll get there. We're running there. Apparently someone already scored. Apparently, I think it's the other team. I don't even know what the other team is. But look, this is the stadium.
Bella.
È la migliore?
Smoking.
Joint.
Sud, curva nord, curva sud. Curva nord, free.
Ah, ma curva nord is Palermo.
Smoking gratis.
Wow, amazing. You can smoke for free. Yeah, oh my god, look at this. Okay guys, I'm really sweaty, but hey, it was worth it. Whoa. Well, apparently Palermo are the pink ones. That's pretty much all I know about this game.
Forza Palermo? No, I would say Forza Palermo!
So the opponents of Palermo are actually leading the game, but still have chances. People are not giving up here, so shouldn't you? Okay, we're leaving just right now because apparently, well anyway, it looks like Palermo is not going to win. That's how I want to phrase it. So I decided to leave because otherwise we would have to queue for hours to get out. So I'm afraid we're gonna miss out on the great vibe that I hoped for, simply because, well, they lost. Hopefully the party's gonna be good. Well, I hoped the outcome, would have been very different, but you cannot always win, can you? So yeah, so we are heading to the center of the city. Can have the last drink, hopefully, and not to celebrate, but to mourn, if anything. Not our lucky night. just walking next to the Cathedral of Palermo, one of the most amazing buildings I've ever seen. As I was saying, literally breathtaking. It was built like almost 1,000 years ago, and it's a mixture of different architectural styles. It's extremely, honestly, it's one of the most amazing buildings I've seen in my entire life. And I don't know, these lights, I'm sure it looks even better during the day, but at night it's quite magic really, because of these yellowish lights. Clearly, the camera does no justice to how good it looks, but you know, that's the best I can do. So you should probably visit Palermo if you have a chance. I had to switch to my iPhone because my camera ran out of battery. I'm basically about to take you to the Royal Palace of Palermo, and that's where clearly the kings of what used to be southern Italy, what we used to call the Kingdom of the Two Sicilies, because there was one Sicily, which is the actual Sicily where I am now, clearly, and the other Sicily, which was the part of the mainland, really, and it was, and the capital of that part was Naples, while the capital of this part was Palermo. So that's why it was called Kingdom of the Two Sicilies, and then it became part of Italy. But that was the Royal Palace, what I'm about to show you.
Ora, abbassa il capo così, così ti mostro una cosa. Non guardare su fino a quando non te lo dico io.
Okay, basically now I've been recommended to walk with my head down, and I'm supposed to turn it up, only told to do so. Let's say, so I keep looking down. Don't know why I'm doing this, but okay, getting closer to the Royal Palace now.
The Norman Palace.
Norman Palace, actually, not exactly the Royal Palace, but
it's a Norman Palace.
Norman, as in Norman, the populations.
No, I'm so sorry. It's Royal Palace.
No, it's actually Royal Palace, apparently.
Keep down.
Okay, I'm keeping my eyes down. At some point, I will have to turn them up.
I'm gonna show you.
I'm gonna get neck ache.
Something incredible.
Let's see.
The real boots. Go up your head.
Oh, there you go. It's a picture of southern Italy. How exciting, actually. It's like a mosaic. That's what I was supposed to look at. I was supposed to look at a mosaic of southern Italy only, separated from northern Italy. This is pretty.
Ma tu ti rendi conto? Ma come cazzo